Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Luqman Kashfi and I'm going to present my Fisherman Village Tourist Center. So the first one is site plan. My site is site 1, which is located near to the Sungai Balok, and also my site is full of mangrove tree. There are 3 layers of mangrove with 3 different types of mangrove. The first one, which is nearest to the river, is Soneratia sp. The second layer is Rhizophora apiculata, which is known also as bakau minyak, and the last one is Bruguiera sp, which has a larger trunk. So my design strategy for the site is to add a panel that act as wind catcher to provide more wind flow into the building, since because the mangrove tree is so dense, the wind flow into the area is actually quite low. Not just to incorporate double volume for enhancement of ventilation of the air inside the building, and also open space planning, both to increase ventilation and also help with the effectiveness of surveillance, since the local villager said to us that there are theft activity at our site, especially at the existing fishermen's decking. The next one is a lot of opening to maximize natural ventilation in the building. The fifth one is bringing some of the river into the site, where it allows natural water features, and also that a feature is can be manageable by the site owner. And because our site has mangrove tree, boardwalk is to be placed among the mangrove trees to let the visitor experience the mangrove a little bit closer, and also to incorporate the existing natural features, which is the mangrove trees inside the building, so they can see it from inside the building, and also at outdoor spaces which has the boardwalk. And to orientate the longest part of the building to be facing the river, which is the best view, and the building is to be built on stick construction, which allow minimal disturbance to water flow, minimal disturbance to plants and animals in the area, and is also for good for soft soil construction. And last one is to have sufficient use of shading device to block out excessive sunlight. This is to ensure thermal comfort of the user inside. So my concept is a Kong, which is from the frame structure of the boat. It is why I take the boat is because boats is an important tool for the fisherman. It symbolizes both the strength of the boat, and if it were to be taken abstract, it symbolizes the strength of the fisherman's community at the site. Next one is to appreciate something that are hidden, which is the beauty of the structure, and also people don't usually see what the fishermen do other than fishing. For example, they do not see when the fishermen fixing their nets, repair or service their boats, the emotion they get, the emotion they show when they get a lot of fish or didn't get any, or the amount of catches they get for the day, or the fisherman's characteristic itself. And also I want to take the local context into the design, which is there are one boat service and repair shop near the site. I want to take the expertise of the boat service and repair from the shop, and this will benefit my building, where the local worker can work there, and also the shop can get exposure from the tourist center, so people will go there also. This is to provide the SDG goals, which is the first one is no poverty, sustainable cities and communities, and also life below water. My design strategies and concept is really relates to the SDG. And the zoning is, this is the ground floor, so the parking area, this is the parking area. So people will go to the lounge, and this is the souvenir shop, the frozen shop, and this is the support spaces, which include the surau and also toilets. So from the lounge they can go to the fish selling area and also to the mangrove activity, which is located outdoor. From the fish selling area they can go to the fishing deck and also the fisherman's deck, and this is the performance deck. From the fish selling area they can also go to the kitchen and also to the dining. Why I put it this way is because like the fish selling area is located here is because when the fishermen come from the sea, they can go to the dock and also sell their fish here, and the visitor can buy the fish and go to the kitchen, ask the chef to cook for them, and go at the dining area. The spaces is a place resembles the structure of the boat, which is this is the main axis, and it has these spaces perpendicular to the axis. So the next, the first floor is this is the transition zone, where they can go to the support spaces, which is located. The support spaces located at the first floor is above the support spaces located at the ground floor. Next to the support spaces is the admin spaces, which include the office, the meeting area, the store and toilet in the office. And also this is the gallery. It has the view of the river and also the mangrove, same as the restaurant at the ground floor. So this is my mood board, and thank you.